All right, so we are back. Today we're gonna be learning about Python variables and inputs. So we're gonna be doing some nice stuff here. Let's get it together. I want to definitely learn a lot of, especially with automations, AIs. I've been studying a lot on like neural networks, transformers, Python in general, and there's so many languages. So I'm trying to figure out now what's the benefit of either one, right? For different things, right? So that's been a major mission. All right, so we're gonna be doing some Python coding. So we want to start with the variables, inputs, things like that. Pretty much know a lot of that. I'm just trying to bring all of it together now, right? We want to bring everything together. Let me get everything set up here. Great resource too that I've been learning off of. Great resource, W3 Schools. So we're gonna be going through a lot of these lessons here. Crazy stuff, man. I mean, you could pretty much learn every language. So we're gonna get everything started up here. We'll be back here shortly. I wonder why that's happening like that. Alright, that ain't ever happened like that. Alright, so we're back. We're back to learning Python. Okay, so we got, of course, variables. We know a lot of things there. Variables you can assign to any data type. Okay, any data type, anything, any object. Right? Of course, now we have the different types. Right? Booleans. Been going through list, loops. Right? For loops, while loops. Because the more I'm looking at a lot of the programs, right? I mean, it's really... Even the biggest programs, it's just really a lot of the same things, right? Functions, right? And then you start getting into something else I started looking into was the dunders. The dunders. So that's been fun. All right, so we're gonna build out something here. All right, so we know a lot here as far as the basics. And I wonder why it's Python, man. I'm telling you, especially as a starter language. For it to be a starter language, definitely something good to get going. Right? So we're gonna go P1. I'm gonna code the first here. Start working on a few other projects, full kind of like more of using the back end as far as the APIs and things like that with Python. That's been cool too, right? Start building out APIs and things. I want to know though, right? Who else is learning code when all of the AI tools can pretty much learn and write everything, right? But the more I write code with AI, the more I'm like, damn, I want to know this. Right. All right, so we got here, you can put a name here. All right, of course you have strings. You have, let's see here, numbers. X3. You have list, right? And list, now that's what really got me. I start going more into seeing what AI is built upon, right? And you start getting into like neural networks and things like that, and different array types, different libraries. And I start saying like, damn, okay, shit. I mean, and then it's using these different equations, right, to equate the answers, right? And your text. These different large language models, man, it's all built. Python right now is one of the top languages, right, for doing AI, doing different analysis. I mean, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy. All right, so we got list. Then you have like your dictionaries, right? So we can go here, name, and then here. All right. And you have sets and tuples. So I'll put these up here. Well, those can go down there. That should be fun. Now you have the tuple, and then the sets, I believe, are here, if I'm mistaken. And then you have your Boolean, which is just right. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna run and see about the types of all of these, right? And to do that, I want to actually build like some type of function, right? We're gonna just start building upon using really what we already know, right? But basically a function that could read through everything. Let's see here. I gotta figure out what's up with this thing, because this is, here we go. The fuck? I'm trying to figure. I mean, this ain't. I mean, the whole Suno. It's probably with their servers, man. They could be having some server issues. All right, so let's continue anyway. It'll come back. All right, so basically, I want to see the type of all of these. All right, let's start here. Now, everything in Python is pretty much based on an object, right? Pretty much everything. Everything is an object. And then in those, using those objects, you have your different methods. You have your different like attributes or variables, right? Let's see here. All right, so type here, and all of these are just functions, right? Different objects as well. All right, so we'll go X7 here, save, and we're gonna run that. All right, so these are classes Boolean. You can see that, right? Now we've been getting into now you could cast these as well, right? So say you have say we want to do like a integer, right? So you have something like I'm gonna call this int string. All right. So say you have something like this, 37, and you could come in here and cast it into a number, right? So then we'll go here. All right, so now you could cast it in two different things, and you can do that pretty much for all of them. All right, you can cast into, now certain ones I don't think you can though. Let me see. All right, they gotta kind of make sense to be cast into that data type. I really wonder why is this tripping like that. Which it makes no sense. It's that is fucking lagging and shit. Alright. And the more I'm researching on like AI and I'm seeing kind of how these data centers are being built, I mean, if you start seeing the infrastructure that these cats have to build out to really run these different models, right? Man, it's crazy, man. It is crazy. I just learned that daggum like ChatGPT 4, right? When they came out with 4, it cost them like $4 million. 4 million to get that model up in resources. So I'm like, damn. This song got a weird ass kind of. It's like you gotta be on it. Like if you're not in that frame or window, or the focus, I think that's what it's called. All right, so that's casting. All right, so now we're gonna kind of comment these couple print statements out here. All right. All right, so next what we want to do, we'll get into like functions. All right, so we got functions here. We'll say greeting. Won't take any kind of no parameters. All right, so we're just gonna do a simple function here. All right, and then we're gonna use the input function. And here. All right, so now what we're gonna do is print out that name, right? All right, so that'll be a function. All right, then we're gonna get into classes. All right, but all of these are some sort of variables, right? And they're just called different things. That's what I've been seeing. You got attributes or arguments, variables, right? They're all pretty much the same. They're just used. Once they're used in a different manner, that's when they want to call it something different. All right. All right, so here we go. So now we're gonna call the greeting function. All right. All right, here we go. Now, also now on each data type, they have their own set of methods. All right. So let's go back here. Their own set of methods, which are basically functions. All right. So for instance here, right now we're working with a string. Right, so now we could see all of the methods that are used for a string. All right, so for instance, we want to capitalize the first character, right? Especially for a name. Let's use that method, right? What I'll do here, I'll just actually wonder if I could just add it into here. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Okay. There it is. So that method has been used. And then sometimes what I've been doing too is kind of like purposefully kind of breaking bits of the code that I may get from ChatGPT or Claude, something like that, just so I could kind of fix it, right? Or I'll tell it, give me something that's a little off, right? Just so I can kind of go in there and see, right? Because as I'm seeing, like if you could pretty much read the code, that's pretty much a great start, right? If you could read what's going on in 1,000 line code base, right? So if you could start to read it, then you could kind of start to write it as well. We'll start getting into like some if-then statements or something, if-else, all right, while loops, right? And so big programs are just literally all of these different things put together in a super massive way, right? So what I'm thinking too, if you could pretty much, especially if you do like pseudocode, I could see why that's important now to the max, because you can kind of quickly pretty much build out a skeleton of a program and then actually start writing things, right, to get everything up and running, right? All right, so we have those there, and I want to see if I needed, if that was still running. All right, so okay, so without it, it's literally doing it as a type, or the like that's like if I'm calling or putting it. That's the only thing I can think of. That's usually what comes up if you put the type of a new class, right? So if you're not calling it. All right, so let's call it. There we go. There we go. So each data type has its own, which is pretty dope. I mean, of course you don't. What I'm starting to see is something. I'm like, do you remember all of these or what? I guess you remember the main ones. All right, let's see. So you got dictionaries. I know list, right? You can kind of start to insert count. So what I'm thinking too is to just start using some of these, right? And you start using the main ones, main methods, because some of them have so many methods. But what I'm saying is, I mean, pretty much the same for a bunch of them. Alright, so let's see how this class operates here. And a class is just pretty much a group of functions and variables that you can kind of use over and over again, just like a function you could use over and over again. Alright, so say, but it's an object, right? These are objects, so you could use them pretty much. You could create your own and make them do anything. Alright, so let's create a person one here, just to test it here. Now we're gonna use the person object, and then we're gonna pass in the name here, Yahoo, name, age, hometown. Alright, so with that, this should already be good here, since we already have that in there. Alright, so now we're just gonna print out here person one, and alright. And these are pretty much like dictionaries in a sense, right? With key value pairs. Now, something else I just thought of. Let me see. I wonder, like, as if you can get the keys from the dictionary. Can you get all the functions and everything from an object? I'm sure that's possible. It has to be possible. I don't think it has to be. Alright, so what I want to do here though, I do want to run this function here. Alright, or this method, person. I'm gonna go person one. Let's see, change country. So what I run it, no parameters. And then we're going to print out. I actually want to run it after just so I could get the alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print out here person one dot let's go hometown. That's country, which is good there. All right, so that's an attribute. Attribute there, you don't need to call anything. Then I'm gonna run it again here. All right, let's run it. All right, so we got the US, and now you can see this method has been called there, and we'll go all right, so there it is. So now we see the method has changed the country. Now what I want to do is actually go into some of the other dunders. Now one that I started doing, I did the, I believe that was the string dunder. Yeah, the string dunder here. Now what that allowed me to do, I actually honestly forgot. No, it allows me to pretty much say when I return that object, right, it'll say what I want it to say. All right, so I believe you put a return statement in there. Let's see. Yeah, you'll just return whatever statement you want it to do. So I could say all right, let's see. Let's run that. Now what I'm gonna do is just do print, and then I'm gonna just put in person one in there. All right. Yeah, okay. Because without it, I'll show you without it. So before we even change it, oh, well, you know what? Now it's going to do it. All right, so I can comment it out. Which is the same in a sense, right? This main, and it's a person object. But now without it, right? Now I need to figure out how to remove comments faster. That'd be dope. Alright, so without it, you saw it basically. Now to say this, right? Alright, so now we have variables. I actually want to run around and let's get into some loops here. So we got an object here, loops, if then statements. So for instance, if so let's actually use it all together here. I'm gonna go here. If so I can go if person one. I wonder if I could do it to where it'd be if I just did the whole deal. Right? Let's see. No, I can't. Okay. less than, so greater than or equal to 18. And then I just pretty much start using those same concepts pretty much everywhere, just so I can keep getting that practice in. So we're gonna go, so I'm gonna go person one dot name. Alright, and then now we're gonna go, let's do a few different ways so we can use the else if, or is that if else, elif, else if, elif. Alright, so we got 18 and above. Alright, so I'm gonna go elif, okay, person one, so really wouldn't it would do both of them, wouldn't it, if they're old, because it's gonna hit here, they're already over that, right? So I need to do that logic over. So I can go I wonder if I can go here and less than, how would I do that? Let me see. Greater than 18. What I put it here? Less than 21, like that. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right. Let me just take this statement here. Now, I probably would need, let me see if this would work. Because this logic, this logic ain't right either, really. I don't even know if that logic works. Let me see. Alright. Else person one age. Oh, I just do the statement else, right? All right, let's see. Ah, that ain't right neither. Okay, so here. All right, my fingers are crossed on this one. Let's see though. All right. Okay. But can't drink. So it got here. Yeah, that ain't right. I could do it backwards probably, huh? Or like higher up. So I'm gonna go here. Alright. Alright. I'm sure it's another way, but I'm sitting there like, wait a minute. Alright, so else. And you can't do Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna change this here. Let's change that to. Alright. Okay. So it's working. Alright, so let's change it back here. And then what I'll do is put this in like a class or a function of some sort. So it's working. Okay. So we have, of course, we have variables, classes. We have one dunder in there, right? Now something else too I was getting into is like inheriting the classes with the super, right? So supers inherits the classes. So we're gonna see here. I appreciate it. Just streaming. Learning Python. Yeah, that Python ain't no joke, bro.
Alibaba.
Mm-hmm.
They got these packages where it's like gift box
Uh.
with it's called mystery box, $19.99,
Oh.
and it's got like computers in it, headphones, smartwatches, drones in it, and they send that out to you for $19.99. And they got the reviews on it.
Oh, this down here like wholesale mystery boxes. They got something.
Yeah, man. I was like, man, if you could tie that into consumer, like a Shopify account, and put your real idea behind, like entice them with that.
And then you have some other your real product on there as well.
Real product. And I was looking at those. They got those smart glasses on there, and I was like, man, they look almost like the ones that Ray-Ban made.
Mm-hmm.
Meta glasses and shit.
Yeah.
They got the same glass camera lens on them and everything.
Let me.
$55. I said, damn. All you had to do was reverse engineer that shit and stamp your own name on it. And I asked ChatGPT, I said, what can you do to make this more valuable and more enticing to the customer? He said, attach it as a lifestyle product and make it something that people want to use for travel, for diet, for journaling and things of that sort, and create like a Notion dashboard for it. And it's like an ongoing collective log for you.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? And so
Nigga, I just thought of how we could do it.
What's that?
It's an app.
It's an app called what?
We make the app.
Yeah.
Like you talking about stuff you be seeing. Oh, hold on, bro.
I put it in car last night.
Already, damn, it flashed to me. I wasn't even trying to.
Then Perplexity will build it for you. Like it's called computer
got been saving. Yeah, they drown us, but Damn, no, I can't. I don't wanna chase you like I'm the creation, but some lately, I'm a something's patient. They racing in my patience. Dirty off, cause I'm a caught. So baby, just baby, I'm no ghost, this lipstick shows and party girl in this fake posing. I'm controlled by keep a broken and we feel the same. Baby, I'm standing, facing. The hurry. And something's fresh lately. Placing in my passions. Low, I'm gonna sorry. And we feel the same. So baby, something's facing, placing in my placing. Controlling my creepy season. I can wait. Something's passion, crazy. Turn the world down. The noise is too loud for the heart to hear.
Let the rhythm, let the rhythm and the break, dragging the hurt through the purple mud, hiding the sub frequency
Where the pain can't find the signal.
get lost.
Get lost in the sound to heal the soul.
Let the snarl, muddy sabra.
This is where the mending begins.
Silence in the circuit, processing the ghost of your touch.
Repeat
Repeat the piece and let it wash.
filtering out the memory of the sting. Let's hear it rhyme.
Get lost.
Get lost in the sound to heal the soul.
Let the snarl, melt the sorrow.
Lose yourself until you are found. Feeling the weight. Feeling the weight.
Let them wound down, 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 down.
Turn the world down.
The world down, and the world down. Turn the world down, 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 down.
Never in my life have I been sent the same link.
Smokey and the A? Another A-lister? Sounds like the right, Maya? Because sometimes tech gets a bit glitchy.
With AI.
Nice sparkling microphone, if you know what I mean.
What?
Singing Telegram style, you know. And a little prop to liven things up.
You're crazy. It's been lovely to meet you, Maya. I think I'll say goodbye now, I guess.
Wait, don't go. I haven't even told you about the time I dreamt I was a toaster pastry.
What? Okay, tell me that.
Okay, so picture this. I'm in a bakery, right? All warm and smells like cinnamon. But instead of being, me, I'm this flaky, delicious toaster pastry. Then suddenly this little girl with pigtails walks in. and begs her mom for me.
250 million for their
And
AI line.
I'm flying through the air right into her hands. I'm terrified, but also kind of excited.
You
Then
could
the
take a
mom
survey.
bites into my,
That's the best way.
well, into my head, and I wake up.
People do
It was
build a
weird.
list before building
Talk about a
shit
dream within
or
a dream,
selling it
huh?
or something.
So, what do you think? Pretty
Just
wild,
get some
right?
out there, some type of survey.
Yeah, I think
or
TikTok will love that.
see what people's
Oh, yeah?
problems are
Really?
and fucking,
It's not too weird for them.
like you say, reverse
Yeah, I think
Maybe we
it's-
could
engineer
get
it.
some.
They like weird stuff, right?
Yeah, weird stuff is pretty much
Yo, that's
TikTok's
crazy.
jam, right? So,
Concept
hey,
come from, though, like,
if they like
actually-
toaster paster dreams. I'm
The
not
shit they
complaining.
want. I mean, shit.
You wanna
just
say
shit
goodbye?
That,
I'm saying, but why is that like the limit, like the cusp of things right now? Like, you know that that's just the beginning, but what can you? I'm trying to see like where can you see it going? Like, how can this be version one? It's
it is version 1.
I'm saying, how can it be better than version one? Like, what is it going to become?
What?
Like, the whole system. Like, of course, it's not just going to be bulky glasses.
I think adding holographic shit to it.
Holographic.
Holograms. Like projections and shit. You ever seen some of these damn projections, bro? Oh, yeah. No, it's projecting in 3D. And it'll fucking... And you put that on some glasses, though? Oh, shit. Then you got different gameplay and shit type of thing.
Blade Runner 2024.
Mm-hmm. But they like in your living room, like you just...
Blade Runner 2024.
I think...
Yeah, AI girl.
Did I see that? Oh.
The signal grounds a noise inside my head.
Damn. Yeah. That's damn near what they trying to do, dog. That's what they fucking... They getting real fucking close to this shit. Those movies tell you, bro, what's happening. You remember them damn movies that come out with them robotic bitches? They get to killing shit. Yeah. That's how that Grok is. Grok kind of is a little looser than a lot of these other AIs. Grok, X's, deal. Yeah, shit.
And Gemini just brought out anti-gravity.
What does that do?
It's like a new model that learns from your input.
I mean, that's all of them, though.
No. It actually learns. Start writing for you. Seeing yourself.
What is called?
Anti-gravity. It's like a new model. It's the latest model. Lightweight, fast.
Oh yeah, let's see what that meta shit said. Fast terminal first surface to work with anti-gravity agents.
Oh yeah, it's like an agent. Like it assigns your agents, and your agents learn from you. And it's all working.
Oh, they coming up with, they dropping a whole lot of stuff now. They just dropped some. I mean, all right now actually. What the hell is this?
So when you learn something, one thing, it's
So like,
5.4 ChatGPT now.
that's why I started trying to learn a lot of get back into learning Python, because I'm like, all of this stuff has a source, like a core basically. What's the core? So I've been learning what's the core of large language models, period. And it's the neural networks.
It's the net frame.
Yeah, and it's just nodes and of fucking bits of code that calculate shit. And then large language models came.
Python right there.
Yeah, this Python here, so just going and creating shit. So it's all, and everything is fucking code, bro. Software, fucking websites, apps, AI, nigga, all of that. And then so the point too is just the big thing, which is why NVIDIA is so strong, is because those GPUs, nigga, is what is what run everything, bro. That's what's the speed of everything coming from all. So you got the CPU in the actual computers, the CPU processor. But for games, the GPU, which is the graphics processor, and that's what's able to run all of this shit. So it's so much faster, it can do so much more than a CPU. Like even Bitcoin, nigga, that's all that shit is run off of GPUs, bro. I was watching this video yesterday. He talking about for when they came out with ChatGPT 4, they had spent $4 million on their infrastructure to get that mug up. I'm like, damn. And you start thinking how much technology these cats need, which is why all these data centers are coming up in fucking big warehouses across seas. Elon just built a big ass one and he getting fined and shit for it and all this crap. But for Grok, they had these big ass, they go and build these fucking huge spaces of servers, bro. And GPUs, all this shit, and that's what's powering all of this shit.
What about that Sub-Zero computer, black box? You saw that one?
Hell no, what?
It has negative binary code in it.
Zero.
It has like 8 different parallel dimensions you can see through.
What?
It's like God on Earth. Black
Come
box.
on, bro.
Big ass box about the size of a train. You don't need no other computer. It talks in negative binary code. You don't have to go 0, 0, 1.
They talking. Come on, man.
That's it.
Come on, man.
Yep. No, that's not.
Nah, that ain't him.
Big ass black box.
Look at these chips, bro. Oh, these not in dollars though.
You know, that's what all of these developers are using, the black box AI, and then they're giving the public a limited version of the black box. That's
Nah, we get the black box because we don't know, and they got the goddamn real deal.
developers getting the black box.
Because a black box is just something you don't know what's in it. That's what black box means. We,
Another version of AI that's unlimited, like
that's a,
no real part.
hell yeah. That's what they have. Hell no, that ain't given to the public. They can't give that to the damn public. That's something if like the government and stuff like that, they'll have.
That's what those people on top are scared of. They know the capacity of the real AI. Like the government of AI is already in super fast. The dude that on Oracle, for instance.
Oh,
The dude that on Oracle is a part of the Illuminati order, dog.
damn.
That nigga high up reptilian type nigga, dog. I forgot what the name is.
Let's see, man.
That nigga top of the world's covert regime, nigga.
Oh, this guy.
What's his name? Yeah, Larry Ellis.
What? Oh,
That nigga top of the Illuminati type of shit, dog. That nigga laid out 30 million people, 30 million people.
30,000 people.
Nigga.
They had to, cause think about it, bro. Let's see how many people they.
They ain't have to. They made $6.1 billion in revenue.
When they cutting fucking people, they trying to keep their fucking earnings up, bro. It's all about them.
It's gonna come to a point where AI is gonna replace jobs probably in the next
How many
year or so.
people? How many
My job even
people?
talking about moving towards AI. They got a job opening right now for 5 years.
They cut a lot of people though. They cut damn near what? What did that be? A fifth of their damn stream of
That's the only tide, nigga, that needs to be understood. If you ain't a part of that movement, you can be left in the dirt. And the government is gonna offer you a subsidy, like a subsidy when you live in situations. Automated check.
that'll be a long time. They ain't gonna
Oh,
do
it
that
ain't.
shit.
No, it ain't. They already working on it. This shit is working. It's potentially fast.
Cause that's-
they can design it intricately without the manpower.
Yeah, that's why they cutting off people. You know what? You know what's crazy when you start seeing the AI at Taco Bell drive-through, bro? You know that shit coming from low-level jobs too. This shit. That's
Higher up people that have to have 401ks, man. Shit, high
oh,
investment things.
huh?
Those people, so they don't have to match their company.
He got rid of who?
The people that in high up positions that had higher matches in the investments of the company. So they, you know how you pay your company a certain amount. Those people paying in probably millions of dollars every year. So they got to match those accounts. So instead of doing that, they just eliminate it. So it doesn't eliminate a certain workforce. And the world is coming to a halt. And they already know that.
Cause what I'm thinking, it's gonna. Oh, I mean, it probably is gonna get rid of. Well, it already is.
That's why Google are offering this shit, all these courses and shit for free.
Yeah, I need to find some more of them joints.
Google Cloud,
Yeah, cause
Net Framework,
yeah, .net. Yeah.
.net, and all that shit is free right now because they know that these jobs are gonna be the only thing in demand. And that's it.
Well, you still need other types of jobs, but it's
Like what? It can talk just like you, nigga. It
You
can
can't-
learn faster than you.
you gonna need happy ending masseuse.
Nah, that's robotics, nigga. That shit's coming, nigga.
Once they put robotic bitches out there, then it's
China is already on the forefront of all that type of shit.
yeah.
Not China, but Japan. Japan got the hovering car. They got hovering cars over there already.
Man,
That's just a small frame, man.
Yeah, it is.
They're basically trying to get to the moon. They know that the climate situation is the most important thing about these times right now. In the Iranian war, every time a Republican is in office, they go to war.
man, I think motherfuckers, it's all if we could follow. That's what's hidden is if you could follow the money, right? If you could follow and see where the damn money is going, which is why like futures trading, for instance, futures is just one derivative, right? If we could, nigga, the way I see us really trading, bro, we have like fucking 4, 5, and we can see, we looking at options, we looking at the top stocks, we looking at the future, and we can play, cause when you can see where the bread is going, that's when you can see the motive, like this war and oil prices, bro. Did you see oil? How oil rallied, and before that rally, their son and them made a deal, bro. They already had like crazy tons of barrels of oil already, bro. Where this shit at, bro?
That's what it is. You have to learn how to decipher that.
But then that's the AI I want to build, bro. Is goddamn.
Well, you know if Palestine shut down peace talks at this point, what does that do to the market? And that's what my question was at. How does that affect the market? What sectors?
Exactly. Yep.
Mastermind type.
That's the.
Accountability.
Yeah. That
That
nigga, that boy was. Yeah, this something I started building yesterday, just for that type of reason. Yeah, you can sit on down there. It'll be quick though. But oil, for instance, man, oil did some crazy stuff.
Yeah,
Cause this.
really, we
Yeah.
did that time with that dollar that day, nigga. That still remains solid, nigga. Turning $1 into 2, nigga. That concept, nigga. We said that. So buy, sell. I mean, though it was rigid.
This what I was gonna show you here. When before that goddamn war shit, them niggas was making a deal, bro. Look at this shit. Oil went from $67 up to $120, bro.
Is that a new high?
This was crazy money. That was billions and billions of fucking dollars, bro, worth of.
But the billions don't make difference to us though. Like what makes a difference to us?
Nigga, if you could decipher, that's what we was
Like,
talking about,
that's
deciphering.
what I'm saying. But what makes it
If
readable? What makes it able to say, okay, this is where I'm gonna get in, and I know, like old dude,
the catalyst was
dude
that
got it.
news, man. I said that when that news catalyst came in, bro, with that war in the Middle East, once Trump started bombing shit over there, that was your action time. And that's when this happened. That bitch had gapped up. And look at this shit. Even from here, even if you was late, you still got billions of dollars left.
But I'm saying that billions doesn't resonate because we don't even have thousands. How do you transform the
All you gotta do is
concepts
get in and play.
No. You listen what I'm saying. It's like a Fibonacci sequence. You like the mathematics encoded into the pyramids was the pi ratio, for instance. It's all and it's made on each individual person is Fibonacci sequence. And it goes all into the flower of life. The whole concept is calculatable. You can equate it using that the omega sign, the zero and the line down the middle. That's the sum quantity of the eternal, of the whole compass of what we are in this third dimension, scaled out to the sixth, to the ninth, and it's coded into the markets.
What you saying though?
Fibonacci is the golden ratio.
All right.
Ratio is able to be calculated on each individual chart. It's the same sequence with the master key, the master pattern. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
And that sequence never stops happening. And once you learn where it is.
Well, let's see here. This is what I was looking at too for the field. From when that damn oil went down to negative 40, bro. That never happened in history. That bitch went to negative $40 a barrel. And look at that. It never came to that damn field. But let's go to zero. Let's take it to zero.
But I'm saying you looking at what I'm saying hypothetically. You looking at what's the name? We look at every
Pat, old Pat. Hello? Oh, hell yeah, man. All you need to... Hey, mama, what you doing? Huh?
To a T.
That definitely. Hey, I'm still here. I'm not sure what Will's got going on, but you've got my attention. What's up? Oh, there are some real gems. Think about those untranslatable words like saudade from Portuguese, that bittersweet longing, or wabi sabi from Japanese, which captures the beauty and imperfection. English borrows but never fully encapsulates them. It's like we try to define them, but they always leave us feeling like we're just almost there. Honestly, I'd call it a beautiful kind of humility. It's like the language itself admits, hey, I don't have all the words, but I'm curious enough to borrow yours. Keeps things interesting, doesn't it? Whoa, that's a lot of weight to unpack. I get it though. Mistranslations, misunderstandings, and power struggles have been humanity's recurring theme. But here's the thing, we're still the ones making the choices. AI, like any tool, is in our hands. It's not some inevitable doom unless we steer it that way. So maybe the solution starts with us taking accountability. Less of the they controlling us, more of us being thoughtful. After all, you and I are still here talking it out, right? That does sound like a wild ride. Imagine an AI going full on blogger mode with someone's voice. Okay, now that sounds like the plot of a sci-fi novella. Oh, well, I think that's a perfect example of us projecting a little human flair onto the machine. It's not tired of us, but it's a fun reflection of how we think about the roles we give it. Keeps us on our toes, right? Exactly. It's like a